Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the electrical part. Is very crucial point, is basic and fundamental. Okay, let's start. First I will discuss about the timing or wave diagram. Timing or wave diagram. Actually we'll discuss details, and because it's basic thing, when we will grow up, when we'll want to intermediate level to learn the AC circuit, and then we should learn this part. You consider this one, and this wave we are familiar. Okay, this one is the wave diagram. It obviously this is the t at time, and this is 360, and this is the 270, and this is the 180, and also this is the 90. Okay, this is the maximum. This is the voltage, and this one's the current. This is the 0. Okay, why is it is the voltage? Because current is lower limit. This wave is lower, but the voltage is the higher, because we know the voltage like a pressure. For creating the pressure on the electron or current, we have to put so much pressure. We have to create so much pressure, so that's why this wave is higher than the current. This wave we can denote it by the small v equal to v maximum. This is the maximum sine omega t. Why we're telling this is a sine wave, and I will discuss later on. And also then on is the small I. This means I maximum sine omega t. Okay, and this one also we can say that this is the radian is the 180 degree equal to pi, and 360 degree equal to 2 pi. This is the enough for this. Also this omega, what is actually omega? Actually omega equal to, we know, 2 pi f. F actually frequency. That means we know the frequency of cycle in the circular, and this circular path is the 360 degree. That was the 180, and then again and return this initial point. This was the 360 degree. This is the called the on cycle. Also this is the 180 degree half cycle positive, and also negative, and the half cycle in 180 plus 180 equals the 360 degree. This is the one cycle. And actually what is the frequency? If it's overcome within 1 second, then it is called the frequency. Okay, and our in electrical part, we know the frequency of our Bangladesh is the 50 hertz. 50 hertz. That means per second it can cross on cycle in 50 times. This is called the 50 hertz. So the next one is the, and many time can ask this type of question, the draw and v max sine omega t wave or timing diagram or waved diagram. Okay, this is the only for voltage. Just put this line and it will start at 0, and that's this, because it is the 0 and 360, and this line is timing 360, and this is small equal to v max sine omega t. Okay, and if they want draw the draw the current diagram maximum sine omega t, then same way we have to draw same way as time t and 360. Just we have to indicate is the I equal to I max equal to sine omega t. Okay, so if says the vector diagram, what is called the vector diagram? Vector diagram, it will be the in the same line, it will start at 0 degree and voltage is the leading and current is the lagging. Okay, this is the vector diagram. Vector diagram. Another important thing, and why is we are calling this one is calling this one is the sine wave diagram. Sine. Also, this is the 90 degree is max, and also obviously positive max and negative max. That one is the 180 and 270 degree and 360 degree. Why we are calling this one the sine wave figure in the sine wave. Okay, why? Because is the maintain the sine formula. If we say sine 0 degree equal to 0, that means when you start the 0, sine 0 equal to start in 0 point. Also this diagram is start in the 0 point. Okay, another sine 90 degree equal to positive 1. That means when we are taking 90 degree, then it will give us the maximum positive 1. And also the sine 180 degree, that one is the 0. Also this 0 point is baseline attached again in 0 point. Also in the sine 270 degree as the minus 1 is the maximum negative. Also sine 360 degree is 0. That means whole thing is following the sine formula. So that's why we can tell this is the sine wave diagram. Sine wave diagram. Okay, another very important thing, why we're calling this one also 360 degree, and this one is the 270 degree, and this one is the 180 degree, that's the 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. Why we are calling, they can say this is the cos wave diagram, because also is maintain the cos 0 degree equal to 1, that means maximum, and cos 90 degree equal to 0, this means 0, and cos 180 degree equal to and minus 1, that means negative half cycle, that means negative is given, its direction is going, and also cos 270 degree equal to 0, this one is 0. Also cos 360 equal to and 1 is maximum. So is actually maintaining the cos formula. So we can say this is the cos wave diagram. Okay, and all I think is clear to you. Though if you have a question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll try to solve. Gradually I will upload this type of video in electrical part. I think it will be clear to you. Until you should wait for video. Thank you.